On the left-hand side, scroll down until you see audio. Pick the audio track that you want for your presentation. So for this example, I'm going to just click on this audio track and I'm going to drag it to the bottom of my presentation. So now that audio track lives in the presentation, and when I go to present, so if you want to add your own audio, you can go to Uploads and come over to Audio and either record yourself or upload files that you have from your local computer. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.